Mare, gagawa tayo ng simple pero masarap at masustansyang sandwich. Magandang araw! Meron akong pipino, lettuce, grated carrots, chicken hotdogs, mayonnaise, at tinapay. Lalagyan lang natin ng mayonnaise ang tinapay. Grated carrots, tapos lettuce, isusunod ang pipino, chicken hotdog na na-slice ng maninipis. Meron na tayong sandwich mga mare! Thank you for watching and don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos.